Babe, should I just give a little snip reveal? It's just like, oh, there's the fender. Ooh. There's the other fender. What is up, guys? So today, we got a new vehicle to add to our fleet of piles of shit that we keep in my dad's driveway. Dad, it's your fault for leaving me the driveway. Anywho, we got a 1997 Jeep Wrangler. It has no mods except for wheel spacers. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So the Jeep is automatic, sadly, but when you guys figure out how much I paid for this, you'll be astonished. We're gonna get right in it. It's got no radio. It's missing trim all over the place, but it came with full doors. It came with two soft tops, one's bikini top, I think, and the hard top, and the half doors are over there. 160,000 miles on it. First try, starts right up. No horn, but it runs pretty good. That fucking squeaking noise happened to my old Jeep was fucking obnoxious. Gotta deal with that. Dive right in the engine bay. So this is my first time seeing what's under the hood. It has inline six, that's hot, ouch. 4 liter. It's got nice air cleaner right there. He says completely stock. I believe him. Guy actually drove 160 miles to deliver this to me. It needs paint work all over the place, but we don't care. It's gonna add to our junkyard collection. It's got paint missing here, dents here, a hole in the hood here. All you are thinking, what are you doing buying a dented up Jeep? I didn't buy it. Let that sink in. Back has no spare tire, whatever. Comes with a brush guard also. This rear window, I gotta like pull the cables on it. I gotta get them both too at the same time. Son of a bitch. Alright, now we got that up. It's actually pretty clean. It's got the full roll bar in it, soft tops, full doors. Now to the moment of truth, all y'all are wondering about, how bad is the frame? The last Jeep I bought had holes in the frame the size of my fists. So far, pretty happy with it. The last one I had, actually, the hole started here. The bumper wasn't connected to anything. It went all the way back to the mounting brackets for the power steering box. It's crusty, but it's mine. Other side, same thing. A little bit of rot up there in the front. Nothing too terrible. It's got coil suspension. The last Jeep we had leaf springs in the back, so sorry I'm sweating bullets out here. It's hot out. Now, here's what you guys have all been wondering about. How much did I pay for this Jeep? I got paid to take this Jeep. Let that sink. I got paid to take this Jeep. I made $500 getting this Jeep. Last winter, I bought a quad tracker for $300 and no title.